Asuntosköyhtiö VV.
Yeah, this is another very amazing elevator today on the 26th of July 2023. Edit later, this building dates back to 1904. It's on Uudenmaankatu, 22, staircase A. We're gonna check the other staircases up.
Yeah.
Staircase H, but H doesn't have it.
Yeah.
So up to G.
Yeah, 1960.
Yes. It's a tiny one.
Yeah.
2 persons of 160 grams as well. With 4 floors. Yeah, it goes 960 and it's vision finish over, so it should be here in Uudenmaan but let's give us first originally on Finland. And the same route 8580. Turning 65 years old in 2025 and it's going to be as well next time, so this is 1960. And along it when there's in the bottom you have languages everywhere.
Yeah.
And it deserves 3 nights.
Expected by lifting student maintained by Kone.
I think then
White carpenters here, but
I think it was probably added in the beginning of 1960.
yeah.
Yeah, very likely because there are some white and black columns.
Yeah.
But it's MP4 everywhere, so
Yeah.
this is why it's probably the beginning of 1960.
Yeah.
But it's more rare with everywhere.
Yeah.
Number is coming.
Yeah. You can press.
Yes. Sit, thank you very much.
That's